Yeah, you might as well jump on, mightn't you?
Where's the Elmo in a minute?
It's going to be warmer now, isn't it?
Elmo! Hey, look, it's Elmo.
There's Jackson.
That's you.
Got me a donkey.
That's you.
Actually, I've seen you round the corner. I can see you round the corner.
Well, hey, you, I'm a piggy. Silly goodness.
You got a Joker smile.
What's that? What?
Screw that. I don't know.
Beep, beep, beep. Thank you, David.
Waiting for my tummy to be tickled.
Oh, look at it.
Brad and Ernie.
Oh, look, chicken.
It's nice and pleasant this ride, isn't it?
Chicken, I'm not.
Me snoring. Oh, there's toilets now. So the toilets are just behind Tummy Tammy. Oh, get our picture taken in a minute. Come on, Mum.
I did too.
Because we're called Deeds, aren't we? One day Jackson will grow up and realise I'm not actually that cool. Well, thank you for driving for us, Mr. Jackson. That's very good. We didn't crash when you were driving Postman Pat the other day.
Did you see my rat?